confidence, the kind Ayanokoji radiates with every step he takes. But here's the truth. That level of composure isn't something you're born with. It's earned through systems, trials, discomfort, and discipline. Let's talk about how to actually build that kind of inner strength in the real world without pretending to be a fictional genius. First, let's start where most people overlook: your physical body. You can't feel secure in your mind if you're constantly insecure in your skin. Train like your life depends on it, not just to look good, but to feel ready. Ready to handle discomfort, pressure, or conflict. Whether it's running until your lungs burn, sparring until your guard breaks, or pushing one more rep at the gym, physical struggle teaches your brain that you can survive. That creates a level of real confidence no amount of fake it till you make it can match. But even physical power means nothing without emotional control. Ayanokoji keeps his cool because he never lets anyone see his cards, and you should learn to do the same. In a world that feeds off drama and oversharing, mastering your poker face gives you an edge. Not everyone needs to know how you feel. Stay calm when others panic. Don't flinch when someone tests you. Let your reactions be measured, not impulsive. And while you're holding your composure, don't forget your environment. Confidence is also built through small rituals. Clean clothes, good hygiene, an organized space. People underestimate how much your surroundings influence your mind. Looking clean makes you feel sharp. Dressing well reinforces self-worth. That outer order reflects inner clarity. Now here's something many skip: the ability to strategize. You don't need to be playing 4D chess like Ayanokoji, but you do need a plan. Stop reacting to life like it's random. Think before you move. Journal your thoughts. Review your week. Write down what went wrong and how you'll improve it. Be intentional. Confidence comes from knowing you've prepared, not just hoping things go right. And if you want to actually become good at something, then forget pretending and focus on reps. True experience crushes performance anxiety. Whether it's public speaking, coding, basketball, or business, if you failed at it, learned from it, and improved, no one can touch you. That kind of muscle memory silences fear. But let's not forget the mental side. Talk to yourself like someone you want to win. Use affirmations, not as lies, but as reminders of what you're building. Tell yourself you're capable, not because you already are, but because you're becoming. Speak with intention, with belief. Your inner voice has to be louder than doubt. At the same time, stop aiming to be perfect. Confidence doesn't come from flawlessness, it comes from acceptance. Ayanokoji isn't perfect, and neither are you. That's okay. Learn to live with your awkwardness, your slip-ups, your growing pains. The moment you stop fearing imperfection is the moment you become unstoppable. And finally, protect your energy. Set boundaries like your life depends on it. Say no without guilt. Skip the party if it ruins your sleep. Leave the group chat if it drains your motivation. You don't need to ghost everyone, but you do need to control your circle. Your time and peace are not for sale. Put all of this together: physical training, mental strategy, emotional control, self-respect, and purposeful action, and confidence becomes inevitable. It's not magic, it's math. And if you stick with it, day by day, you'll look back a year from now and realize you've become the kind of person you once admired. Like, subscribe and follow me on IG. Let's hit 60K this year.